on lesson number 11, all about the time. We have about. It's like this with your support hand, and you go up, all about it, about. This is clock. This is o'clock. And second, and minute. Sorry, minute, not just one time. Minute. And hour, like 60 minutes. Hour. Start with your palm out, go around and end with your palm in. Hour. Now we have calendar. So see hand back here, calendar. Month. When, it's like about, but with one finger. When. And from. Your lead hand is straight and then it curls as it moves away from your opposite finger. From. And now we have first. Do you see that? First. And next. And an L hand on your pinky is last. And there you have it, all about the time. Here is your silent sign sentence. Did you know this? Did you know? What are you going to do with all of those? Tell me in comments and give this video a like and even subscribe if you have not already. And most of all, see you in lesson number 12. Bye.